Dzień dobry, namaste. Welcome in Cooking Like Me. Today we would prepare one of the Polish Christmas dishes, which is herring under the blanket with beetroots. It's very fast, very simple and very tasty. Come and cook with me. So, for our herring under the blanket with beetroots, we need, of course, fillet of herring, 4 or 5 pieces. We need 4 boiled beetroots. We need also boiled eggs. 4 eggs would be enough for this portion, like 1 salad. We need boiled potatoes, 4 or 5. We need 2 little onions or 1 big one. I have 2 here. And we need also cucumbers, pickles, 4 or 5. We need mayonnaise, some pepper, and at the top cheese, grated cheese, and spring onions. We start our salad from boiling potatoes and eggs. I will add some salt, so it will cook much more nicer. While our potatoes and eggs are boiling, we will cut all the other ingredients. I will start from the herring. Fillets of herring we'll just cut into smaller pieces. Our fresh onion will join the salad. I'm cutting it into small pieces. Next, our pickled cucumber. We cut it into pieces, maybe even smaller ones because this one is quite big. And then in squares as well. Next, I'm going to grate the beetroots. Okay, so our potatoes and eggs are boiled. Now we are going to cut them into pieces, also squares. And now egg. As you can see, all our ingredients are ready. Now we are going to mix them all together by putting the layers. We will start from our herrings. I'll use some cutlery for helping. Of course, almost every layer will be accompanied with the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. As mayonnaise is there, we'll put also some pepper. Next, we'll put all the onions. Next layer made of onions. Great aroma. Onions, then pickles. So the juice from the pickles will nicely mix with the onions. Then we'll add our potatoes. put some mayonnaise. In Polish cuisine we use a lot of mayonnaise. Then we'll use our eggs. Later at the end you will see very nice combination how the salad will looks like with all the colors and all the dimensions. Every ingredient has to have its own layer. And again we'll put mayonnaise. Some pepper. Now we'll use some beetroots. By arranging, try to push a little bit all the ingredients to the down so they can mix as well all together, because as you can see all of it's fulfilling bowl, and I need some space to make our decoration. And at the top we are putting, of course, mayonnaise. As you can see, now we are painting beautiful pink color. Okay, so now our salad is almost ready. At the top we'll put grated cheese and spring onion, just for the decoration, but it would cover our pink color. And at the top, our green spring. So our salad is ready. As you can see, there are beautiful layers. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. If you like this video, please leave your comments, subscribe to my channel, and Merry Christmas!